Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So after this amazing bumpy weekend, so just the crypto market turned into red and price started to fall down. So my name is Mike Denkler from CorionX and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi, gems every day to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice, everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. So always do your own research, make your decision based on your research, and also take responsibility for your decisions. So guys, smash those like, push the bell notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. This is important to smashing those like, because then YouTube algorithm will just show this video to others, and as we are getting into crypto more and more people, that it's good because your bags will pumping. So let's share my screen and let's check our favorite bubble chat. Let's see what's happening. So you see, after this pumpy weekend, almost all altcoins and Bitcoin turn to the downtrend. Bitcoin is down 5% and Ethereum is down almost 10%. So huge drops that we see here, and also other altcoins are dropping as well, really heavily. So I think the reason can be that there is a bank run in Russia and also in Ukraine, and also the most of the Russian banks have been cut it from the SWIFT, and this can cause financial some panic on the financial markets tomorrow. So let's go and check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. It is at 26, just like yesterday, so not too much changed here. I think after this huge drop, we will see the index going lower from this 26, and just the index tried to break out to the neutral zone, but after a few days just visiting the neutral zone, the index fell back to the extreme fear levels. And as you remember, the index was almost 3 months in last summer in this low territory, and then the greed came back as price started to pump, but now we are longer in this fear zone. Let's go and check our first news. Okay, Pantera Capital explains why Bitcoin could rally soon. Tax day and the consequences of the Fed's policies could boost Bitcoin's price in the near future, Pantera Capital forecasted. Okay, so these are the two main reasons that they see why many proponents expected to see it trading at 100,000 by end of 2021. It finished the year below 50,000, and the start of the new year meant more drops. And also we went as low as low 30,000, and there will be the tax day, which is the year in April 18th. Okay, so that makes some sense. A lot of crypto traders are not to investing. You can imagine a person buying as much Bitcoin as they can. Since they are all in on crypto, the only way to raise cash to pay their tax bill is to sell some crypto. Prices fall leading up to tax day. So this is how they expect price falling down as we are getting closer to the tax day. Crypto could gain independence from financial markets. That was a COVID-19 pandemic and also other stuff. Let's quote, I have very strong conviction that the markets are really getting this wrong, and that the rise in interest rates, which I think was pretty obvious that was going to happen and will keep happening. I'm not really that bad for crypto, and relative to the other asset classes, it's actually really great for blockchain prices. And so we think over the next number of weeks, crypto is basically going to decouple from traditional markets and being to trade on its own again. So this is quite interesting how Bitcoin and crypto will decouple from the traditional markets. Let's go and check our next news. And also Pantera Capital just released this report. Also, you will find this link in the article. The next mega trade. Okay, to avert panic, central banks should lend early and freely to solvent firms against good collateral and at high rates. So this is what's happening. Treasury mortgage bonds. So check out this report. You will understand better what is happening on the financial markets. Next piece of news is a weekend watch. Luna taps 5-week high. BTC rejected at 40,000 US dollar. Bitcoin continues to unable to break above 40,000, while Luna's impressive run has driven it to the 5-week high. Okay, so Bitcoin remains at 39,000, now dropped below 39, but that was a nice that from Friday until Sunday, so almost 3 days, Bitcoin traded around these levels, so that gave some strength, but was not able to break 40,000. Okay, market capitalization stands close to 750 billion US dollar for Bitcoin. Altcoin stall. Luna sees a 5-week high. So Luna did a nice rally, almost 50% just within few days. And yesterday, all other coins rallied really well, but not for now because the market turned to the downside. Let's go and check our next news. Crypto donations to Ukraine exceeds 13 million US dollar. Yes, Justin Sun made a 200,000 US dollar transaction worth of Tether USDT. Ukraine seeks help in crypto. They launched this campaign. Stand with the people of Ukraine, now accepting cryptocurrencies donations. So this is, guys, this is a real adoption that a nation accepting crypto donations, and this is easy if they are cutting the SWIFT system. If their banks are not online, they can still accept funds and spend those funds. Crypto to the rescue. Yes, Justin Sun donated 200,000 and almost nearly 14 million worth of cryptocurrency in the past several days. Okay, cool. Let's go and check our next news. Here is how Bitcoin can explode to 50,000 US dollar in March, according to crypto analyst Justin Bennett. Okay. I want to show you what I'm looking for in March, this potential setup that could have Bitcoin trading up toward a 50,000 US dollar area over the next few weeks. We have two lows down here, 34,700 both in January and this past week. This is a potential double bottom for the market. The confirmation for this is not only about 39,600, that's step one. Step 2 is a close bar 46,046. So now 40,000 failed, but the next major level is 46,000. That's the high from back here. So this would be the neckline of the double bottom pattern. Bennett cited two key levels which, if reached, could launch Bitcoin back above 50,000. We need to see a daily close above 49,600 and also daily close about 46,000. So 39,600 and 49,000 area. That will expose this area between 50 and 53,000. This has been a key level on the chart for the past few months. So this is a double bottom formation. To confirm this double bottom, it should make a kind of W pattern and first break 39,600 and 46,000 US dollar levels. Let's go and check our next news. XRP is not a security, says executive CFTC chairman. So guys, CFTC is not an SEC. Sometimes they are just battling who should regulate crypto and Bitcoin. But former CFTC chairman declared that XRP is not a security. Chris Giancarlo, So Chris replied before SEC launched its enforcement action against XRP and Ripple. I penned an opt in which we applied the same approach we would have taken when I was at the CFTC. We analyzed XRP token under the Huawei test, and we came to the conclusion that in 2020 article that it wasn't a security, and I stand behind the article today, he added. So guys, just the thing that this Huawei test, just checking if an asset is a security or not, but I think this Huawei test is almost 100 years old, so I don't know how accurate can be this applied for cryptocurrencies. Okay, in my book I talk about our analysis and our work with SEC in 2019 when I was chief of the CFTC and Jake Layton was at the SEC, and we came to the conclusion that XRP is not a security. Okay, and if SEC wins this case, does SEC chief counselor have to go back in time and basically consider Ether a security? Charles added. So the analogy is certainly that after the results of the case, it will be challenging for the way Ethereum is considered. Yes. So guys, this lawsuit is going on. We'll see what will come out. Elon Musk reveals Dogecoin will be accepted at Tesla's new futuristic dinner drive in Seattle. So what a surprise. So Tesla is a electronic car manufacturer and I don't know what they are doing with the drive-in dining theater or whatever. So this futuristic dinner and drive-in theater planned for the Hollywood area will accept the meme cryptocurrency Dogecoin. The electric car company currently accepts Doge for some merchandise on its website. And of course you can pay in Doge. And this will be the Tesla charging station in Santa Monica and the theater maybe somewhere there. And yeah, so good for you if you are around and you are driving a Tesla, and until you're during your charging your car that you will go in this drive-in theater or whatever. Next piece of news is Portugal. 2 European countries continue to ride the crypto wave. Okay. PTA remains constitutes that BTC capital gains are not taxed in Portugal. So this is, I think, the tax authority of Portugal. El Salvador's GDP sees an increase after making BTC its legal tender. Ukraine trades more crypto than fiat as digital assets are now legal. And you guys, Portugal, no tax on BTC capital gains. Okay, Portugal tax authorities clarified that the buying and selling of crypto would not be subject to capital gains tax or VAT, value added tax. Okay, great, sounds amazing. Crypto sales are not subject to being taxed within the sphere covered by Category G capital gains. However, entities that provide crypto-related services as a professional or a business are taxed on capital gains between 28 to 35%. So not a low amount of taxes. But if you are just holding Bitcoin and crypto and trading, then you don't have to pay if you are not a huge company providing services. So Portugal continues to stand its ground as a crypto-friendly country, joining other European countries like Germany, Switzerland, and Malta. El Salvador GDP increased after making BTC its legal tender, 10.3%. Huge, guys. So Bitcoin adoption is just pushing the GDP 10.3% up, brings job development and investment. Ukraine trades more crypto than fiat. According to an article, Ukraine is processing more cryptocurrency transactions a day than its fiat currency, hryvnia. So guys, this is insane. This is insane how these countries are adopting crypto, adopting Bitcoin. And so it's really cool. Let's go and check our next news. Reese Witherspoon's media org to bring NFTs into TV shows and movies. Hello Sunshine collaborates with Word of Woman to adopt NFTs into show business. Hello Sunshine's founder Reese Witherspoon has expressed her excitement and optimism about this step, and she also has showed her support to Word of Woman. Word of Woman's next NFT collection will be released in 2022. So this is insane. You see, organizations, real world organizations, are turning into NFTs. Next piece of news is Jamaica has everything ready for its new GemDex CBDC. Okay, Jamaica is polishing up everything before launching its new CBDC, central bank digital currency, and they revealed its name and GemDex. Guys, how smooth this name is. GemDex, Jamaican Dex. So, and no cash, no problem. Okay, cool. So, no cash, no problem were proposed. Cool, so sounds amazing. And who proposed this saying, this tagline, will get 3,800 US dollars and maybe some other royalties in the future. So GemDex, and this is the national cash of Jamaica. No cash, no problem. We sought something that matched the authentic Jamaican-ness of the name and tagline while being simultaneously simple and distinctively bold as an easily recognizable visual element. The appetite for CBDCs goes beyond Jamaica. So guys, but this is a CBDC, so this is not a decentralized cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum or others. So this is issued by the governments and is controlled, and it's not decentralized, but good for them that they are starting to use this technology. So guys, let's go and check my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me at MIKLOS Dentler and also follow Corion platform. And Switzerland's city of Lugano is working on becoming the European Bitcoin capital. So Zug in Switzerland, where Corion Foundation is based, also a huge crypto city, but Lugano also wants to become one of the biggest. A record 76.5% of all Bitcoin has not moved in at last 6 months. So guys, almost three-fourths of the total Bitcoins hasn't moved, and these are the hodl waves. Present a macro view, the age distribution of the coin supply, and provides insight into changes to this age distribution arising from holding and spending behavior. So good news, lots of Bitcoins are dormant and they are not selling. So the bank runs begin, long lines in Moscow for ATMs withdrawals, so Moscow in Russia, and long lines waiting for cash withdrawals. So insane. Yeah, so the United States and their allies just announced they are cutting multiple Russian banks off from the SWIFT payment system. This is why crypto started to form, and they are looking for alternative payment systems. So this can be helpful for Bitcoin, because not just Canadian protesters, not just Ukraine citizens, and now Russian people will using Bitcoin, because then they have access to the financial system through Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. But yes, so this is something that the market started to punish, but Bitcoin is a monetary good, helps out where is a need. Okay. This feels like a turning point for fiat currencies globally. A country that is currently engaged in violent combat to preserve its sovereignty and freedom is publicly soliciting Bitcoin and crypto donations. So Ukraine accepting now donations. And also here's my post: fastest and easiest way raising funds. And laser punks are doing something really great. So definitely follow Laserpunk Gods as well. CorionX posted this about Mexico Senator filing, so definitely we are supporting also Mexico in this movement. Nomad Furry just shared a new video about CorionX and our Laserpunk Gods NFT launchpad. Definitely check this video out and also like and share all this with. Okay, why I guess this kind of behind the secrets ads. Japanese e-commerce giant Rakuten has launched its own NFT marketplace, Rakuten NFT. So guys, Rakuten is like Amazon. So definitely share this, like and share. Price, okay, this is from Plan B. Price at which all 19 million Bitcoin has transacted. Free cluster. Current cycle, 9 million BTC, about 20,000. 2017 all-time high. Aftermath, 5.5 million BTC, below 20,000 US dollar. Early BTC history, 4.5 million Bitcoin under 2,000. Most probably lost, including 1 million Satoshi coins. So these are when these Bitcoins have been transacted. So this is the Bitcoin distribution chart. Okay. I wouldn't want to keep money in the bank that can't access the SWIFT system. Once a bank can transfer or receive funds from other banks, its solvency can be at risk. If I were Russian, I would take money out now. Yes, so this is what they are doing. Nobody's fleeing tyranny with their gold bullion bars. So definitely check this out. Okay, and Bitcoin mining. Mint green to create heat for the city using renewable energy and from Bitcoin mining. So, and Bitcoin mining, guys, definitely check out our Twitter feed and also like and share all that you find here. So guys, let's go and check our farms. We have farms. If you are holding ASC20 version of CorionX, go to Uniswap, provide liquidity in CorionX ETH pair, and just stake your LPs for 330% APRs. If you are holding BEP20 version of CorionX, now we adjusted the rewards on our farm. Go to PancakeSwap, provide liquidity in CorionX BNB or CorionX BUSD, and look up for 300 and 380% APRs and earn some juicy APRs here on our farms. So guys, let's go and check what Bitcoin is doing. So now Bitcoin is traded near to this resistance zone, and this resistance acted as resistance for now, and Bitcoin tried to break up from this resistance several times, about 40,000, but was not able to close a daily candle, and now just came back to these levels and just broke down because this SWIFT that Russian banks were cut it from SWIFT, and so that was a huge drop in price, and now we see some consolidation. The price started to going back a little bit. What about Bitcoin shorts? So Bitcoin short decreasing, so that's a good sign. So Bitcoin shorts decreased and it's looking pretty good. So back to these low levels. Bitcoin longs still increasing. And what about Bitcoin dominance? Is almost sidewaving, not too much happened. And what about Ethereum? So Ethereum is traded at 2,600. Also Ethereum was not able to close about 2,800 US dollar and just fall back to the 2,600 US dollar levels. So now Ethereum is just consolidating here. So guys, that's it for today. Please smash those like, push the bell, notification, or write your favorite top altcoin in the chat that we will charting, and also stay CorionX and follow Laserpunks and CorionX, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Enjoy your week. Bye.